In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play background music in Zoom. This is a great way to add a little ambiance to your meetings or to play a specific soundtrack during a presentation. Whether you are hosting a virtual event, a class, or simply want to enhance your usual meetings, playing music in the background can be a subtle yet effective way to achieve a certain vibe or keep participants engaged. First, let's begin by opening Zoom. Make sure you have it installed on your device and sign into your account if you haven't already. Starting from your Zoom home screen, go ahead and create a new Zoom meeting. This can be done by clicking on the New Meeting button, which will lead you right into a virtual meeting room. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see the meeting toolbar usually located at the bottom of your screen. From here, click on the Share Screen option. This is an important step because in Zoom, sharing your screen also gives you the ability to share your computer's audio. Now, when you click to share your screen, you'll see different windows or program screens to choose from. Select any window from the options available. Don't worry too much about which window you select. What matters is the ability to share sound, which we're going to set up next. At the bottom left corner of this screen sharing window, you'll find an option labeled Share Computer Sound. Be sure to check this box. This crucial step is what allows the audio from your computer, including music, to be played to everyone in the meeting. Once the Share Computer Sound option is checked, go ahead and click the Share button. By now, you should be sharing your screen along with the computer audio. With the screen and sound share set up, the next step is to open your preferred music player. This could be any music app you're comfortable with, like Spotify, iTunes, or even a YouTube playlist. Once you have your music app open, go ahead and start playing the track or playlist you've chosen. As the music starts, it will play in the background for all participants in the meeting as long as you followed these steps correctly. You'll have control over the music, so feel free to adjust the volume or switch tracks as needed to suit the dynamics of your meeting or presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully set up background music for your Zoom meeting. This feature can be really helpful in making your online gatherings more enjoyable and engaging. Remember, the key is in the details, like ensuring computer sound is shared and managing your music playback to keep everything smooth. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps enhance your Zoom experiences.